Carl saw a poster at the mall advertising the opening day of a new video arcade. The first game is free and every game after that is 25 cents. If Carl is a new customer at JoJo's Arcade, write an equation that represents C, the cost for Carl to play G games at the arcade, and then use the equation to determine his cost for playing 10 games. Well, as we often do, we'll start our equation with C for cost. So cost is equal to, well, we know that it's 25 cents times the number of games that he would play. So we can take 0.25 and multiply that times the number of games. So in other words, if he played one game, it would cost 25 cents. If he played 2 games, it would cost 50 cents. 3 games would cost 75 cents, and so on. However, we know that this isn't true because the first game is free. And right now our equation says that the first game would be 25 cents and the second game would be 50 cents. Well, we know that in reality the first game was free, so then the second game must have cost 25 cents. So in other words, there was a 25-cent discount that we could take off. So minus 0.25. Okay. Well, let's see if this works. So if he played 3 games and the first one was free, it would be a total of 50 cents because he paid 25 cents for 2 more games. Let's see if that works. So the cost of 3 games, 0.25 times 3 minus 0.25 comes out to be 50 cents. And that makes sense because he should be able to play 3 games for 50 cents if the first one's free. Let's see what it was for 10 games since that's what the question asks. The question asks 25 cents times 10 games minus our 25 cents for the first game is equal to a total of $2.25. Now, there's 2 parts to this equation. The first one asks us to write the equation, which is what we did here. And the second question asks us to find how much it was for $10, which is what we did down here.